eating, Donald Duck? Are you licking him?
Yeah. That's silly.
It's silly.
Yeah.
Are you silly or is Donald silly?
No, that's silly.
Donald Duck silly? What about Lenny?
He's funny. Donald Duck.
Lenny, are you tickling him?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, Goofy wants to be tickled.
Okay.
Tickle Goofy. It's pretty silly. Are you eating him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he like to be eaten?
Yeah.
He likes to be kissed on too. Give him a kiss.
The tiger.
You're a tiger?
Yeah.
What do tigers do? Oh, do it again. You're silly. You're pretty silly. Oh,
Kiss Goofy butt.
you kissed Goofy's butt. You are silly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you're kissing Donald's butt.
Kissing.
You just love Lenny, huh? Oh, we're eating Lenny now. Are we back to being a tiger? What does he do? Silly. Tigers aren't friendly? Do tigers give kisses? Are you a girl tiger?
No.
No. Are you a boy tiger?
No.
What are you?
Kiddo.
You're Kendall?
Yellow.
Grandma's here.
Hi.
You ready to get out?
Nina.
And Nana. You want to wear the sunglasses outside?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put them back on.
You gonna get out and play?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's Donald and Goofy?
The kids.
You want to leave them in the car so they don't get dirty?
Goofy. The two mom.
Can we leave them in the car?
7, 6, 7.
7, 6, 7. Okay, hold on. You gotta put one down so I can get your arm out.
Okay. Little kids. Goofy. Yes.
Give Goofy a kiss.
Saying.
Donald Duck stand.
Is
Can Goofy
coming?
stay, please? Can you put him down for a nap?
No.
No, they'll get dirty outside.